News just in, the Indian Army and paramilitary forces have intensified their offensive against Bodo terrorists in Assam. Headlines today has travelled to the Assam-Arunachal border, which adjoins the border with Bhutan. The army is being aided by paramilitary Sashastra Seema Bal in the offensive against the NDFBS terrorists. Headlines today's crew found 7 columns on the Noamara border. Security personnel have been combing dense forest and mountainous terrain. The images are the first pictures of the ongoing operations at the Assam-Arunachal border. 78 people died in a massacre by Bodo terrorists on the 23rd of this month and ensuing violence in Assam.
An eerie silence prevails in Noamari area of Sonitpur district of Assam. It is near Assam-Arunachal border, and incidentally it is also near the international border. Now that means that behind this mountain is Bhutan border, and perhaps that's the reason why you see the SSB has taken its position here, providing adequate security in the area, and of course the combing operations that are going on inside. And this also means that there is a multi-layered operation going on. Now with this, we have the Indian Army who are there in the interiors, the SSB which is there layering across the border, along the border here, and with that we also have the Assam police who are assisting them regularly. There is a lot of relief material that is being sent from one place to the other, especially because of the interior areas where there are a lot of villages that have been cut off completely. Now this also means that there is a lot of difficulty because of the terrain, the weather climate, and of course the kind of distance that they have to traverse with almost no road conditions in this area. Here you see that there is no metal road and they have to traverse through this area. Most of the Jawans here, most of the officials here have to walk all the way through. It takes them several hours to walk down with the ammunition that they are carrying. Remember, the operation is on. It is a completely all-out operation that has been continuing, and with the sensitivity given the fact that the Home Minister Rajnath Singh has been monitoring it completely, it remains to be seen on how long it continues, because it is of course a limited time operation that we have been briefed about. With camera person Chitrabhanu Pathak, this is Manogya Loiwal in Sonitpur, Assam for Headlines Today.